Welcome back. Today going to discuss about registers of 8085 microprocessors. These registers are number 1 simple register, that is main register, general purpose register, number 3 special function register, and number 4 other registers. Now we discuss in detail. सिंपल रजिस्टर यानी एक्यूमुलेटर. नंबर 1 सिंपल रजिस्टर यानी एक्यूमुलेटर. इट अ 8-bit register and used in arithmetic and logic operation. Stores the result of ALU operation. ALU arithmetic and logic unit operations. Now the second is general purpose register. General purpose registers are B, C, D, E, H and L. These are 8-bit registers. B 8-bit register, C 8-bit register, D 8-bit, E 8-bit, H 8-bit and L 8-bit registers. When we combined in pair, when we make a pair BC, so it become a 16-bit register. Similarly, DE 16-bit register and HL 16-bit register. HL register, HL pair register, it 16-bit register and it used as memory pointer to locate an address. Special registers, third register is special register. Special registers, number 1 program register. A is the program register. Program register is a 16-bit register. Hold the address of next instruction to be executed. Hold the address of next instruction to be executed. So program counter is a 16-bit register and its function is hold the address of next instruction to be executed. Now next is stack pointer. B stack pointer. When interrupt is activated, stack pointer store the program counter location. So stack pointer come in function when interrupt is activated. When interrupt is applied to microprocessor, that times it store the program counter location. Other registers are number 1 A is the instruction register. Instruction register is a 8-bit register. Store the opcode 8-bit of an instruction. The function of instruction register is store opcode of an instruction. Next is temporary register. Temporary register is also 8-bit register and it store data temporarily before execution of instruction. Store data temporarily before execution of instruction. Now next program. So we will discuss a program. Program is add 2 8-bit numbers. Statement is add the contents of memory location 2000H and 2001 H, and place the result of memory location 2002 H. Okay, so program is addition of two 8-bit numbers. Now the first step, LXI H comma 2000 H. This is instruction is 2000 H is stored in HL pair. Load immediate means 2000 is stored in HL pair. H is the HL pair register. Now it act as memory point. We know that HL register work as a memory pointer. HL is the 16-bit register and it work as a memory pointer. Next, move A comma M means copy the contents of memory. This M is denote the memory. So copy the contents of memory location pointed by HL pair pointing 2000 H address. So location pointed by HL register to register A. Move A comma M means copy the contents of memory location pointed by HL register to register A. Now next step, in INX H means increment HL pair register by 1. So next, add M. Add M means the contents of memory are added to the contents of accumulator. Add M means the contents of memory are added to the contents of accumulator, and the result is stored in accumulator. Now next is INX H, increment HL pair register by 1. Move M comma A. This instruction tell that copy the contents of accumulator to memory location pointed by HL pair register. Move M comma A tell that copy the contents of accumulator to memory location pointed by HL pair register. Now halt. This instruction tell that finish the execution of program. Suppose H have 15H at 2000 H location have 15H contents, and 2001 H memory location had 88 H contents. Now when we add, it will be 15H plus 88, that is equal to 8 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 13, that is D. In hexadecimal 13 is D. So 5 plus 8 equal to 13, that is D. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So result is 9DH, and it will stored at memory location 2002H.